Hey there, home cooks. If you're avoiding gluten and finding it tricky to whip up delicious meals, you're in the right place. Welcome to the world of the Gluten Free Equation Recipe Cookbook, your ultimate guide to mouth-watering gluten-free recipes that are quick, simple, and absolutely delicious. Now you might be wondering, why go gluten-free? Well, the gluten-free food market is booming, and for good reasons. More and more people are being diagnosed with celiac disease, wheat allergies, or simply opting for a healthier lifestyle. By 2024, this market is projected to reach a whopping $5.87 billion. But let's get real for a moment. Cooking gluten-free can be a bit daunting, especially if you're juggling a busy schedule. That's where the Gluten Free Equation Recipe Cookbook comes in. This cookbook is packed with over 100 easy-to-follow, fuss-free recipes designed to make your gluten-free cooking a breeze. Imagine this: you've had a long day and the last thing you want is to spend hours in the kitchen. With our cookbook, you can enjoy speedy 30-minute recipes or opt for lazy recipes that require just 15-20 minutes of effort. Yes, you heard that right. You can relax while your food cooks, bakes, or chills. The best part? These recipes don't just taste amazing, they don't look or feel gluten-free either. From classic dishes you miss to new exciting meals, there's something here for everyone. Think gluten-free mac and cheese, delectable desserts, and so much more. And let's talk about convenience. Whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding the whole family, this cookbook has got you covered. It offers clear instructions, ingredient substitutions, and nutritional information to keep your meals balanced and nutritious. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what some of our users have to say. This cookbook has completely transformed my approach to gluten-free cooking. The recipes are so simple yet so delicious. And another says, I never thought gluten-free cooking could be this easy and tasty. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the Gluten Free Equation Recipe Cookbook and start cooking ridiculously tasty gluten-free meals from scratch. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Happy cooking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing recipes and tips. See you in the kitchen.